This afternoon, we're bringing you an exclusive look into West Fargo's new rapid COVID-19 testing clinics, a new strategy that the district is using to help keep students in school. As Valley News Team's J.C. Dodd reports, 10 positive cases have already been identified from the clinics, but officials say that doesn't directly correlate with transmission in the classrooms.
It's about identifying those cases before they set foot in the school. So even if we have more positives, it doesn't necessarily equate to more exposures in school.
West Fargo Schools Director of Health, Safety, and Public Relations Heather Lee says the district has been working hard to ensure students can stay in the classroom this year. A new strategy offering free rapid COVID-19 tests to all staff, students, and their families.
Test if they feel like they have symptoms, if they've recently been out of town, or even if they just want to serial test just to kind of stay on top of their health and their symptoms.
Monday was the first day of the clinics, and Lee says out of more than 100 tests given, 6 came back positive.
So those are potentially 6 people that would have come to school or went to work yesterday that didn't know that they were experiencing symptoms and were positive for COVID-19.
The clinics are at 6 different locations across the district and staffed by local nursing students like Morgan Moore, a first-year nursing student at MSUM who says she wishes clinics like these were available during her senior year of high school.
Here, it's nice that you don't have to quarantine and you can go to school that day if you're negative, yeah.
Moore says she's glad the school is hosting the clinics to stop the spread of COVID-19 sooner. And Lee says with making testing widespread and more accessible, case numbers could go up. But she says that doesn't correlate to higher transmission in classrooms.
So even if the positive numbers go up, it doesn't necessarily mean that more kids in school were exposed. So we feel like this is a really good thing for that reason.
Now I want to take a look at West Fargo's COVID-19 case numbers from last week. Tuesday, West Fargo schools reported 79 active COVID-19 cases among students. Here in red, you can see 34 cases in elementary schools, 23 in middle schools, and yellow, here in green, 22 high schoolers testing positive for COVID-19. The blue shows the number of staff members testing positive at 11. Now let's look at Friday's numbers. The school district reported 87 active COVID-19 cases among students. You can see elementary numbers jumped to 40 and both middle school and high school totals increased by 1 case each. However, case numbers for staff members dropped from 11 to 8. We're still waiting for the district to release the new numbers from today, but we do know that staff and students in 4 classrooms in the district are required to wear masks for 14 days because of elevated case numbers in those classrooms, according to district protocol. And finally, officials tell me of 87 rapid tests given at West Fargo schools today, 4 of them were positive. Mike?
All right, great insight, JC. Thank you. The clinics are funded by the State Department of Health and are free to those wanting to get tested. For more information on the clinic times and locations, go to our website at valleynewslive.com and click on this story.